In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Steam to Fivem account. Before we begin, here's the big picture. Fivem reads your Steam session and uses your unique 64-bit Steam ID to associate your identity with servers. That link happens automatically as long as Steam is running and you own a valid GTA 5 license. With that in mind, let's get you set up. Linking ensures servers can reliably recognize you for permissions, whitelists, and bans, and it keeps your progress tied to the right profile. Make sure you're using the same Steam account that owns GTA 5. Start by opening the Steam client on your PC and signing in. Leave Steam running in online mode. You can minimize it, but don't close it. Fivem needs to see an active session in the background to grab your ID. Next, if you don't already have it, download the Fivem launcher from the official website at fivem.net. Use only the official site to avoid corrupted files. Install it if it's your first time, then launch Fivem while Steam continues to run in the background. The launcher may take a moment on the first boot as it sets up caches and updates. Just let it finish. If you want to give Fivem an extra nudge, you can optionally start GTA 5 from your Steam library before opening Fivem. When GTA 5 is running under your Steam account, Fivem can more easily detect both the game and your Steam session. Behind the scenes, Fivem will query Rockstar services to verify that your license is valid and then link that license to your unique Steam ID. You don't have to do anything during this check. Just keep Steam open and let Fivem handle it. Once Fivem opens, look for your Steam profile information inside the client. Seeing your profile details is the confirmation that the link worked. If your Steam info doesn't appear, don't worry. Simply close Fivem and relaunch it while Steam stays open. A quick restart refreshes the session and usually makes the profile show up right away. That's all there is to it. Steam open and signed in, Fivem installed from Fivem. Net and launch with Steam running. Optionally launch GTA 5 first to help with detection, and then confirm the link by checking that your Steam profile information appears in Fivem. If it doesn't show on the first try, restart Fivem and check again. You're now ready to join servers with your Steam identity properly linked. Thanks for watching and have fun role-playing.